In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Quick Access Center in Windows 10. We can access the Quick Access Center by clicking on the search bar near the Start area, or by pressing the Windows key and the Q key. In this Quick Access area, we have access to our top apps, so the applications we use the most recent applications we've been using, and some suggested quick searches from Microsoft. We can also search with a screenshot by clicking this button here. We can use this to select any part of our screen and search the web for it. Also in the Quick Access menu, we can check out our most recent apps, important documents, and web searches too. Not to mention the other options under the More tab. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.